You see this nice pretty beach right here? It's full of trash. And that's why fellow Jamaican YouTuber Kurt and I organized a beach cleanup and invited some other Jamaican content creators as well. Aleesha, Joel, Paige Power, J So Random, and Rochielin all agreed to join us on board for this cleanup mission, and here's how it all went down. Okay, we are here and we all gathered. Alright, so today we're going to be cleaning up the beach. Is everybody familiar with that concept?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. So we're going to start from this point where that rock is and go down because I'll be a fisherman. Let's just try and clean along this stretch until like we get tired after 2 hours. Everybody good with that?
Yeah.
Alright, Kurt, anything to say?
We would be splitting into 2 teams for the video. We're going to be counting based on the amount of bags we fill. So whoever fills the most bags will win.
Yeah.
Here's the gloves. Do that too? Catch her. Here you go, Paige. Most of us got there together and we were already ready to get cleaning. We had to call NSWMA though before we began cleaning to let them know that we're gonna need them to pick up the trash when we're done. And this is what they said. Oh, what I'm saying?
That wasn't content. He said, okay, when somebody's passing, he would make sure he tells them.
I mean,
but someone's good enough.
Right? I guess that's good enough. So let's just get started, girl. Oh, so this is one team?
No, I'm on your team.
Alright, so Aleesha.
split them up.
Yeah.
Split them up.
Maybe we should,
Yeah, one person.
Maybe we should.
No.
I mean, you guys look good over there as a team. Yeah, so you guys can be team, and then me, Paige, and Kurt. Well, every one of the organizers should be on each team. Kurt, you gotta be on Aleesha and Joel team.
We're going to try to clean up all this trash on the beach.
Yeah.
Be 2 teams.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. And after choosing teams, we got right into it. Yes, put that in there. What is this, bro? Eh? What is that?
It's a shoe.
Man.
No.
Oh, you said we win money, right? At the end? No, sir.
Yeah, right.
Not that.
Run over here. But
You can't run. Who's just calling now? Then Rochielin called. She was almost here, so we got some gloves and plastic bags ready for her and Mommy Lynn. Yeah, you can start recording.
Oh yeah, I haven't been recording this whole time.
Yeah,
It looks clean. Thank you.
You're not recognizable with the mask, the towel, and everything.
so we basically have like 2 teams going on right now. Who want Rochielin and who want Mommy Lynn? I say this on Mommy Lynn.
I was gonna.
Guys, it's really rushing in. We promise. Take off all of my accoutrements. Hi.
Alright, I'm glad Rochielin was able to forward. She's doing her thing over there. I'm getting the behind the scenes of Rochielin's vlog. Why are you over here on our turf? Like I don't understand. Exactly.
Somebody definitely crashed here.
Sheesh, I mean, look at this. Bro, we're winning.
Okay, no.
No, we can get it.
We can't. 1, 2.
Oh, wait.
Okay, 1, 2.
Oh, let's put them in.
Hey, what are you doing? That's my pipe.
What is this gas thing here? A slipper.
Page.
Interesting. Interesting stuff here.
This good.
Literally. Lasco. I mean, look at trash. Guys, this is what we're doing to our environment. The bunch of trash that washes up.
Put it in the bag.
Oh my gosh, guys. So much trash on the beach. Can't make this up. And we're trying to take them up, but it's still just a lot of trash left back on the beach. Like, I guess you can count this as one bag. It's kind of heavy, so we should probably put it.
The glass.
Yeah. You guys start another bag?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Come on. I have a present for you.
No.
What? Don't you believe?
What is it?
Yeah, I climbed the entire mountain.
Oh, wow. Bila na notebook just came out of it a while ago.
Shamar, this symbolizes our friendship. Look at it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is how I feel. I'm going to crush you. After I climb an entire mountain for giving me a floor. Oh,
Our team is indeed bad. Sorry, bro.
Stay over there.
Why are you guys coming to our spot?
So Paige, how's it been? How's it been? So far? Yeah, managed? Alright, Joe. Yeah, how's it going? Turn around.
I'm just drinking my water.
Yeah, guys, we're up on a little break because so far we've cleaned up a good amount of rides here, along here. I think Aleesha them team them came up over there, that mountain over there.
We did.
And we did the back side of that mountain. Bro, come on. I didn't know what other word is there to say. We're gonna finish it off and try our best to get this done. So let's go, as Rochielin would say, let's go. I found this piece of something.
It's my mortal enemy, guys. We're on separate.
Excuse me, man.
Shamar, I found that.
I found this piece of something. Let's go. I want this man.
Okay, fine. Here.
We'll take it from here.
Look at him, weak. He's drinking water.
So that's why I came over here for too.
Not came over here to spy on you.
You done me and my team will clean up that part where the rocks are.
Oh, that's what my team is doing too.
No!
Guys,
See me and you in a villa.
what's
We
crazy?
have the advantage, you know, but they don't know it.
I'm wearing
Yeah, she's recording.
I'm wearing ripped jeans, and it's like I'm wearing ripped jeans. I bet I'm going to get sunburnt right here, and it's going to look so weird later.
Good luck. Paige is coming. Guys, they're going to take up this big. Oh no, they're actually. Oh, so we did multiple. Oh my god. Honestly, I was not prepared for us to take up this big sponge, cause I mean, why? But Mama Lane was insistent that we're not done until we took up this sponge. That's exactly what we did. The cleanup continued and both teams were doing really well, to be honest. When it was coming down to the wire though, we just kind of started getting to know each other a little bit more.
Oh,
Are you
let
on
me see.
YouTube?
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, actually, yeah.
Right.
Except for Joel.
Alright, let me take this photo and then I want to go in a shade where I can
Kurt, that's that well. Okay, that's
Bro, this is great.
actually to my YouTube channel.
This is great. Little did we know, however, that this beach was still nowhere near as clean as it should be. Guys, so this is where we are. Like, show them, that's where the group is. Way down there, where you see the red well there. And this is literally where most of the trash is.
That's what I'm saying. That is
Yeah. Just want to show you guys the amount of trash that's down here. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, look. Literally, what even is that? I don't even know, guys. But there's so much trash down here, y'all. It's a lot. And it's just like 7 of us. It's not that many of us out here doing the cleanup, so we can't make that huge of an impact out here. But we can always just implore you guys, me and Kurt.
I'm vlogging. Wait, is it on me?
Yeah, it's on you, video. So really guys, all we can do is just encourage you guys to come out, do a local beach cleanup. Really and truly, it doesn't take much to come to the beach to access it, because this is kind of a public beach. So you can come here, do cleanup in groups, and yeah, try as best to make an impact, a positive impact on our environment, because it's awful. Kurt can tell you. It's, how is it, Kurt?
It's atrocious.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back up now, guys. We have to kind of get on the move now. Rochielin is leaving soon, so yeah. And we'll show you guys the trash that we collected. Nonetheless though, we did collect a good amount of trash thanks to the teamwork of this group. More than 10 bags of trash were collected among the 8 of us, which is honestly something commendable. Ready? It's that YouTuber life, LOL. This place is so dirty that we even found trash away from the beach, which is just crazy. I actually do want to see how over there looks.
What is he doing? Imagine a picture right there though.
Right? What's up, my guy? There's rocks over here and it's shallow. Shallower than I thought. Oh, yeah. That will come up to here, so. You'll come up to here. At the end of the cleanup, my team collected the most trash, of course, because it's my team. Although Mamelin was the MVP. Kurt didn't give us the money though, but it's whatever. I see him being cheap. And Rochielin, being the nice person that she is, gave us some very helpful advice on our YouTube channels and said these kind words.
I just want to say congrats to all of you that even decided to come out and do it. You know, it's a great initiative. We're saving the planet one bag at a time. And I love being a part of these type of things, as you know, the type of videos that I put out. So when Summer reached out to me, even though I do have some other things to do today, I really tried to make it work.
And we appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yay!
For sure.
So how's it been? What was it? It was rough?
Yes.
Damn.
I think I see it on my face. Yes.
Okay, how was it?
Huh?
How was it? How was the cleanup?
It was great. I'm so happy this worked out. And
Yeah.
everybody came to support it. Because we've been planning it for so long.
Literally.
It's just good to see it, come to fruition.
Facts. Facts.
And it was good too. We cleaned a lot of garbage, and it seems like everybody enjoyed it.
It was a very adventurous day today. We've been through it all. We've seen some things, and I'd like to say you guys need to start cleaning up your beaches. It's really.
What kind of after yourself?
I feel tired, sure, but it was really fun doing this with so much new people. Because I have like anxiety and I am scared to be around new people. But honestly, it was so fun. You guys are so awesome.
Yeah.
Of course.
How was it, Rochielin? How was it, Rochielin?
For me, it was great. It was a great experience. It's not my first beach cleanup, so I kind of knew what to expect. I came prepared with my towel and my, I have water and I have my glasses and everything. And at one point, I was unrecognizable because I was so covered. But comes from experience. But it was a good initiative. I'm happy that everyone came out. I'm sure there'll be more where we'll have a lot more support. But it starts with one, and I'm very happy that we started. So
Yeah.
it's good for me. I'm hot now though.
It was fun. This is my first beach cleanup. I'm looking forward to many more, inviting more people next time so we can create a better impact. But overall, it was fun. Yes.
Okay. Hold up. Editing Shamar here. I just realized that after all this time, I haven't even given my own account of what the experience was like. So let me do that right now for you. Overall, guys, the experience was fun on the day. I mean, it took a lot of organizing, a lot of planning, a lot of things fell short. Even up to this morning, the organization that we were supposed to work with, they kind of pulled out. But nonetheless, we still went ahead. We got it done, and I was just so happy that we got that done. That everything else was just cancelled out. All the shortcomings, everything, it was just cancelled out when we finally got it done. So guys, I implore you, if you can go out and clean up a beach. You guys saw the state of the beach that we went to, and I know that video says it's the dirtiest beach in Jamaica. It's not the dirtiest beach in Jamaica, between me and you. And that just goes to show that there are beaches in way worse state than that one that we went to at Palisadoes. So guys, I implore you, if you can, organize a beach cleanup, go out, play a part in saving our environment. And yeah, it's a lot of fun when you go with your friends, and it's a good time. Tiring, but it's a good time. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Shamar Crossfield. By the way, I have some good news coming soon, so stick around, watch out for that video, and yeah.
Okay, can we have a foot?
No, I found this for me.